Hey guys, today we're going to make the settle. It is in paper modeling and it is number 9. So here it is. I have made it into a bookshelf, but you can make, there's like a few different pictures of things you can make it into in the book. So to do that, you are going to need some thick paper, and we're going to be cutting out a 4 or 5 inch square. I'm going to do 5 inches by 5 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. I've been using this.
Esther, what are you doing?
Then fold each section in half. So now we have 4 sections, and then fold in half this way. If you've been doing the other, you probably have this down. Fold in half again. Fold in half again. Hand something to the baby. There you go. Want that? Alright, so now we have a square, and we're going to label it A through P again. Now for this one, we are going to cut here between D and G. And then we're going to come over here on this side and make a cut between P and up to O. Now G and K become the table, and C and D fold together like this. And the same with O and P until we have a little bookshelf here. And I am using tape instead of glue because that's what I prefer. So I'm pasting it down. And that's really the gist of it. Then you can curve this to make the mirrors. You can cut it and to make this. Or my son, he made his into a little cubbyhole bookshelf.
It's a burner. See, look at the burners.
Oh, it's a stove. There's burners in there. I didn't see that. It looked like a little bookshelf. But yes, a stove is pretty cool too.
It's my own design.
Yeah. And then, if you really want to, you can paint them like Becky is doing. And that is the satay. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that, but that's what it is.